Hello everyone, so if you want to insert an SD card into your Xiaomi Redmi 13, it's quite easy to do so. First of all, take your phone and locate the SIM card slot. It's right here on the left side of the screen. Now grab your SIM ejecting tool, which comes in the box, and simply insert it into the hole near your SIM tray. Do that. Alright, now gently take it out. We have our SIM card here. Let's put it back. All right, now as for your SD card, so grab your SD card and find how to place it. So locate. So all right, here we are to place it this way. Simply insert it. There will be a little click. Despite on this exact model, the SIM tray is quite loose, so be careful with that. Now grab your SIM tray with an SD card loaded and simply insert it into your phone, just like this. And basically that's it. And now we can open up our file manager. So we've got our SIM card detected. Press agree, allow all. Now press storage, and here, as you see, our SIM card was detected and you can freely use it. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.